Hi, Christian from iTuning here. In this video I will show you how to install a Vortex generator spoiler on a first-gen Lexus IS. I will try to keep this as short and simple as possible. Now let's get started. To do this you will need some sandpaper, a pencil, painter's tape or masking tape, acetone and windshield glue. First put it on to make sure it fits well. Then, using a pencil, mark the roof at the front of the part. Take off the spoiler and apply painter's tape to protect the roof from excess glue. That stuff is quite hard to clean off and this makes it much easier. Trial fit the spoiler again to make sure it does not sit on the tape you just put on. Sand the places of contact with sandpaper. You have to do this so the windshield glue holds better. I used 80 grit sandpaper, but anything from 40 to 200 should be okay. Clean the places of contact with acetone. It's best to use a proper degreaser, but in this case we will need acetone for later steps and acetone works good enough. Sand the places of contact on the spoiler. Clean the places of contact with acetone. Apply the windshield glue on the inner perimeter of the spoiler. Spread it out at the front of the spoiler and leave a little bit on the edge. Carefully put on the spoiler. Fix it tightly with tape. Clean the excess glue with acetone. Remove the protective tape and clean off the excess glue. Fix the spoiler real tight. You can put some weights on it, just be careful not to scratch anything. It's best to leave it to dry for 24 hours. Take off the weights and tapes and done. Fast, easy and not that expensive to do by yourself. Here is the end result. Thank you for watching. If you found this video to be helpful, please consider subscribing. Bye bye.